Here's how to set up a Nintendo Switch. For people living in America, Australia, or other countries where the Nintendo eShop is supported, it's pretty straightforward. But for people who are living in Singapore, Indonesia, or other countries where we don't have the Nintendo eShop, there are some steps to take note of when setting up your console if you want to be able to purchase games digitally. Let's get started. Start up the console and choose the language you want to use the Switch in. That's English for me. As for the region, you could always choose your own region if it shows up here. Unfortunately, Singapore isn't here, so if your country doesn't show up, any region is fine. You do have to remember though, that it is best to purchase all games and DLC in the same region. Otherwise, some DLC might not work properly with the original game if they are purchased in different regions. Accept the end user license agreement next, and then you will move on to connecting your console to a Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, you get to choose the time zone. It's perfectly fine for you to pick whichever time zone you want here. Again, Singapore doesn't show up, so I'm just gonna pick a random UMT +8 region. You get the option to connect to the TV, but we'll skip that for now. Get through this tutorial to detach your Joy-Cons and all, and then you can add your user account. Once done, you can link a Nintendo account. Some of you might have to update your system before you can link the account. That's fine, go ahead, pause this video and take a minute or two to update your system. All done? Okay, go to settings below and link your Nintendo account from the user section. If you don't have a Nintendo account, you have to create it via your phone or your computer. Personally, I think using a computer is faster. Either way, hop on over to your PC or your phone and we'll show you how to get it done. You can fill up everything as per normal, but when it comes to country or region of residence, do not put your own region in if you are not living in one of the regions that have the Nintendo eShop. You can pick Canada, Japan, whatever. As long as there's an eShop there and you know you'll want to use that eShop to purchase your games in the future. For me, I'm going with the United States. You can leave the time zone alone because that won't affect anything. Once you get everything set up, you'll be on the user info page. Check to make sure that you are on the right region, then click on the shop menu button on the left. Don't worry if you messed up and created an account with the wrong region. You can hit the edit button and change your region. On the shop menu page, you'll see your account balance and payment methods. You can either choose to link a PayPal account or add your credit card details. For Singaporeans, our Singapore credit cards work on the US eShop, so no worries there. Fill in your credit card details and then save it. You're done with everything you need to do on your computer or phone, so you can go back to the Switch now and link your Nintendo account to the user account like I mentioned earlier. Now that that's done, you can head on to the eShop button below, fire that up and buy all the games you want. And that's how you set up a Nintendo Switch. Hope the video has been useful. If you have any questions or need more clarification, do drop a comment below.